Today we're going to plant a wild bird and butterfly garden, and first thing that we need to do is prepare the soil. So this is an area of an older flower bed that needs to be rejuvenated, and the soil's kind of hard, so we're going to spade it up, and as I'm doing that, chop up the clumps with the spade. And so we're just going to keep on spading this up until we get the whole thing done. Then we're going to go over that whole area with a spading fork to make sure we got all the clumps broken up. And like with the other spade, we're going to break up the clumps as we turn them over. Just push it in and lift it up and turn it over. Now we're going to rake it all nice and smooth and get all the clods out of the way. And we're just going to rake it nice and smooth so we have a nice fine soil to put our seeds on. Now we're just going to sprinkle on the wildflower seeds, and they've got a filler in here so you can see where it's going. So the white stuff is a filler. And I just got this box at Menards for like a couple dollars. Wasn't much. And so now I'm just raking around the seeds to spread them out and give them ever so slightly a cover of dirt. So just gently rake them in and spread them around. Just don't put any weight on the shovel while you're doing it. And this other one, we're going to roll out a tape that comes ready-made. And the soil here is some space in my garden that I'm not really using right now. And so it's a lot easier. So I'm just starting out with a spading fork and just chop it up as you go along. Just push it in and turn it over and then break up the clumps. Now just get your garden rake back out, and I'm raking the clods and the bigger chunks to either side. Just rake it out nice and smooth. And then this is the box that has the roll in it, and so I'm just kind of looking at it. And okay, this is the roll that was inside of the box. It was in a little plastic bag there. So just roll it out, and the green side goes down because that's the side with the seeds on it. So just put enough soil on it to cover it, no more than 1/4 inch, and hold it down, and then water it in good and proper. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.